everybody? It's your boy Iceman J. I know it's been a while, but I've been waiting for this moment for a very long time. I had my art pipes for like a while now, like about 2 months, but today's the day that we install these bad boys. I've been debating on, like, you know, me going to the store and doing it myself and stuff, but I'm not really good when it comes to tools, so I don't want to mess anything up. So I'm gonna take it to a shop so they could do it for me. I talked to him. The only thing that sucks is I have to leave the car there because he has other projects that he's working on, obviously, and people that had appointments and stuff. So he's more than nice to take me in and do it today. But he told me if I leave the car, excuse me, that it'll be done today for sure. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while. They're back there in that brown box. I don't know if you guys can see them, but this is something that I've been wanting to do for a while. But I was just debating on whether should I do it or should I have someone else do it, and then in the mix of all the work and stuff like that. But yeah, you know me, man. I got my mask on because you gotta stay safe from the coronavirus, and then I got my gloves back there too. But this shit crazy. Got my girlfriend about to go with me so we could drop the car off and come back. But yeah, so we're gonna head over there, and I'll let you guys know when I'm over there. Yeah, so basically we just got to the muffler shop. I talked to my guy over there. He's over there, and he's just gonna give me a call once everything is done. So I told him, don't worry about it, don't stress it. I ain't in a hurry. This guy's TSX right here, he was trying to get it on the lift and he broke his side skirts off. That joint is sweet as hell though. But yeah, once I get the car back, I'm gonna do some sounds and stuff, sound clips. So I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. All right, so I'm back in my mom's car. This is the one that we brought so I can drop my car off. I dropped it off and I didn't want to be there because one, I don't think we can be there because of the whole situation that's going on. But two, I don't want to be there for hours and hours and just waiting. Like, I'd rather go home and, you know, play some Call of Duty or some Need for Speed or something and let the time pass by until it's time to come pick it up. I don't want to be like mad annoying telling him, yo, is my car ready, this and that, blah blah blah. But I just decided to you know, I was like, man, whatever, let me just pay the money so somebody that knows how to do it can do it. Like, I wanted to do it myself, but I don't trust myself for real. I'm not really great when it comes to tools, but I do got my intakes still coming in. For those, I think I'm gonna try to put them on, so we'll see. Or I might just have somebody else do it. I don't know, but from what I heard, intakes are easy to do, besides cutting the core support. That's pretty much it though. But I got a lot of boys that have Z's and G's and stuff that they own those cars in the past, so they can help me with that. I don't know, I don't like bothering people like that, you know, so I'd rather just either try to figure something out on my own or pay somebody to do it. That's just me. But once we get the car back, I'll give you guys a sound clip of how it sounds with the art pipes. And yeah, I've been wanting to hear this setup for the longest time, but I just never really pulled the trigger on it, even though I did have the art pipes for like I got the art pipes at the same time I got the Tomei and the Y pipe. I got, what's it called, it's been like 2 months or so, like 2 to 3 months actually. Yeah, 3. But yeah, so I got my my intakes coming in. They told me that they were ready to ship. They still haven't sent me the tracking number, so I don't know. And then all I just need to do is just find some GTR injectors, buy the Ecutech, because I did sell my uprev. I had uprev, but I sold it to one of my boys with a G37 so he can tune his car. He didn't want to wait any longer, so I was like, all right, here, take it. He said, I'll give you whatever you paid for it. So, you know, I was like, all right, here, you can take it. So I took that, and I just need to pretty much just find some GTR injectors, which I already know where to get them from. Just get some GTR injectors and the Ecutech, and then we can start the whole tuning process for the car. So I'm really excited to see how it does, and I can't wait. So I'll catch up with you guys later when I'm back at the muffler shop, or when I'm on my way there. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. The startup. Jesus. So I hope you guys aren't mad because I haven't posted a video of my full exhaust setup, like the sounds and stuff. But basically the last clip I said I was gonna give you guys some pulls and stuff, but I haven't been able to because after that I went home, I went to sleep, and then it's kind of been raining and it's been ugly. But today's actually a good day. I'm coming back from Walmart, went to go grab some stuff, but I'm actually on the way home now. Today is Wednesday, so the art pipes are like 3 days broken in. I think I got it done Monday, or when did I get them done? I can't remember. No, Sunday. I got them done Sunday, so 4 days broken in, so they're pretty well broken in. They're really good. The only thing is that it's really loud, so I'll give you guys some downshifts and give you guys some pulls, since this is kind of like a lonely road, but for some reason it's very busy right now. But I'll try to give you guys some downshifts and some sound clips from the inside of the car so you guys can hear how it sounds. But so far I've gotten pretty good compliments from my friends. They told me that it sounds nice, it sounds aggressive, so that's what I'm going for. And just to let you guys know, I got an awesome video coming up and I need you guys to stay tuned. I bought some more parts from my car, and that's gonna be exciting, but that's gonna be for a whole nother video. I already got the parts in, but that's gonna be for a whole nother video. So you know, you guys so you guys can come back, watch the video, and have something to entertain you guys with. But just know this shit about to be crazy. Like I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm very excited. I've been waiting for this for a very long time, and you know, one of my goals was to do all of this that I just finished pretty much, and my goal was to do it before my birthday, which is May 31st. So therefore, for me to accomplish it beforehand, you know, it's been a blessing. Obviously, my baby right here next to me, she helped me as a gift for one of the parts, so it means a lot, you know. So I couldn't do it without her. I couldn't do it, you know, without believing in myself, which is crazy to me. I've only had the car for about 6 months, and it's only gonna get better from here. you guys pulls. But this is basically cruising in 6th gear. So this is how it sounds. When I actually step on it, it gets kind of loud. That's with, obviously, with some more gas. And it sounds like it wants to shoot a flame. Like sometimes when I'm doing like a 2nd gear 40, 2nd gear 50 pull, and I take it all the way to red line, and I'm getting ready to shift it to 3rd gear, it's like a big pop. So it sounds like it wants to shoot a flame, but apparently I don't shoot flames. But hey, maybe someday, right? So
Ew, you looked at me.
so what's it called? So yeah, so let me wait until the road kind of clears up a little bit so I can do this pull and I can show you guys, because I kind of don't want to do it right now because of all these cars that are around me and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let me get back to you guys, all right? So I'm downshifting now. To hear how it sounds. So yeah guys, I can't lie, I love it. Basically the exhaust clip with the Motordyne Art pipes, the ISR Y pipe, and the Tomei exhaust. That's my boy Ephraim right there on his 9th gen SI, by the way. I see you, boy. You need some tints on that joint. So yeah, that's basically the sound clip for the exhaust.